Welcome to my vegan kitchen. Today I made peanut butter chocolate brownies in the microwave. Let's check it out. Icing sugar here, I'm just going to sprinkle it on. Here it is, my vegan brownies. Smells amazing. Super hot, so I'm going to have to wait for it to cool down a little bit before I cut into it. But I'm definitely gonna cut into it and I'm gonna try it, and the recipe will be posted shortly. I'm gonna put a chopstick in there just to check for doneness. So these are super moist vegan peanut butter chocolate brownies, and so easy to make. Gonna cut into this now. Anyway, check this out, you guys. Vegan chocolate peanut butter brownie. And let's try it. Amazing.